Hello, I would like to talk more about mobile resource management software tool. This is a great software tool for in-vehicle application system integrator to develop their software. We provide APIs such as device setting like LCD features, hotkey, and watchdog. Our settings like GPS basic settings and also like GPRS, CDMA, HSDPA settings. And also for intra-vehicle support like CAN bus and the protocol J1939 and also GPIO. For data locking like lock key system parameters and information, and also OTA, remote AP updates and remote parameter settings. So our system integrator, they can develop under C++ and also C# environment. And also this API is compatible within CE and in XP embedded and also in Linux. We also provide the sample code to our customer and our software utility. So if you're looking for a great tool, a great API for system integrator, MRM SUSI Package is your best solution.